Happy morning to all of you. Welcome to the video class. How do you do? Hope you are all doing great. This is our EVS class for grade 2. Today we are going to see the part 2 of lesson 13, reaching places. Reaching places. Children, tell me what we have discussed in the previous class. Yes, you are right. We have discussed about the traveling, means of transport and different modes of transport. In that, we saw land transport in detail. Isn't it? Yes. Tell me, what are the three modes of transport? Land transport, water transport and air transport. Today we are going to see air transport and water transport, that is airways and waterways. First one, airways. They fly in the air. That is why they are named as airways. Example, hot air balloon, glider, helicopter, aeroplane. Yes, it is true. It is the costliest means of transport. People can go to other country in few hours if they choose aeroplane. Isn't it? Yes. It is popular because it saves time. People, when they want to go to other country, they prefer air transport because it saves time. Because it saves time. Yes. Aeroplane carries passengers as well as goods. Aeroplane take off at land in airport. What it is said to be? Airport. Yes. Next one. Helicopter. It can fly but not as high as the aeroplane. It also carry passengers. Next one, air balloon, hot air balloon. So it is generally used for fun and adventurous things. It is generally used for fun. Next one, waterways. That is water transport. They float on lakes, rivers and seas. These are all water bodies. So, they are said to be water transports. They float on. Here, what we are meaning? Ship, boat, steamer. So, these are all the things that float on water bodies, isn't it? Yes. They hold at harbor. This mode is used since ancient times. Actually, it is the slowest mode of transport, but it can transfer huge quantities of goods. If you take boats, boats are generally used by fishermen for fishing. Ship. Ship can travel across seas and oceans. What is the difference between a sea and an ocean? Sea is smaller than ocean. Sea is partially covered with land, but ocean don't. Okay? Ship carries goods and passengers from one country to another country. It carries bulk goods. Yes. Next one is steamer. Why it is named a steamer? Because it uses a steam engine to move. It is also a ship. Steamer is also a ship that uses a steam engine to move. Now I am showing you different pictures, isn't it? Tell me which are all the slowest means of transport. Yes, bullock cart and tractor are slowest means of transport, whereas aeroplane, motorcycle are fastest means of transport. Am I right? Yes. Importance of means of transport. They take us to our place of work. They help us to reach school. They help us to visit our friends and relatives. They carry things. They are used for exercise. Some vehicles are used for racing. So these are all the importance of means of transport. Do you know this? Taxi. The word taxi that is spelled exactly the same in English, in French, in German, in Swedish, in Portuguese and in Dutch. What is the name? It is taxi. So what is taxi? Taxi is also a motor vehicle that is used to transport passengers in return for payment of fare. Okay, this is your assignment. List 5 slowest means of transport. Second one, if many people have to travel together, then which means of transportation will they choose? Third one, give 2 examples for water transport. Yes, children, hope you understand this lesson reaching places. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next class.